The drone community is buzzing with excitement as leaks suggest DJI is about to unveil one of its most innovative creations yet, the DJI Avata 360. As enthusiasts were exploring the full potential of the DJI Neo 2, new images appeared online, sparking debates and speculation across forums and social media. Initially, many assumed these images depicted a prototype of the Avata 3, but it quickly became evident that this was something entirely new. The Avata 360 appears to be a revolutionary hybrid drone, blending DJI's FPV technology with a high-end 360-degree camera system, all in a sleek, high-performance package designed for both cinematic storytelling and high-speed flight. This drone represents a significant step forward for DJI, merging its cinematic and FPV lines into one versatile device. Rather than creating separate drones for filmmakers and FPV enthusiasts, DJI seems to have combined the best of both worlds. The drone reportedly features a rotating gimbal that enables seamless switching between 360-degree and FPV modes. In 360 mode, two ultra-wide lenses, one facing upward and one downward, capture the entire environment, allowing for the invisible drone effect, where the aircraft itself disappears from the frame. Switching to FPV mode, the gimbal rotates, hiding the bottom lens and exposing a forward-facing camera optimized for fast, dynamic flight. This dual-mode functionality sets the Avata 360 apart from anything else on the market. It's designed for creators who want cinematic flexibility and for FPV pilots seeking the thrill of fast, agile flight. Technically, it promises to be impressive. Each lens reportedly captures a 180-degree field of view at 4K resolution, with AI-assisted stitching combining the feeds into smooth 8K 360-degree video, drastically cutting down editing time. In FPV mode, the drone can record 5K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring fluid footage even during sharp turns or rapid maneuvers. For still photography, it offers 30-megapixel images and panoramic 360 shots that reach up to 120 megapixels. The Avata 360 also appears to be a powerhouse in terms of performance. It reportedly includes 128 gigabytes of internal storage, with additional micros support for extended recording. Using DJI's O4+ transmission system, the drone could achieve a range of up to 20 kilometers under ideal conditions. Considering the complexity of its dual lens and gimbal system, an estimated 25-minute flight time is impressive, showing DJI's focus on balancing power, efficiency, and performance. Safety and intelligence features also seem to be enhanced. In FPV mode, the drone reportedly uses front LiDAR, rear optical sensors, and downward infrared sensors to help avoid obstacles. In 360 mode, the cameras themselves may serve as an all-around sensing network, providing environmental awareness in every direction. Advanced eye-powered subject tracking, inspired by DJI's Mini 5 and Neo 2, is said to allow the drone to maintain smooth framing even during high-speed action. DJI appears to be preparing multiple bundles for the Avata 360, catering to different types of users. A standard kit will likely target general content creators, while FPV-focused packages may include motion controllers, goggles, and additional batteries. Those wanting full manual FPV control will need the FPV Controller 3, sold separately. Despite its powerful capabilities, the drone isn't aimed at beginners. Capturing and editing 360-degree video requires capable hardware and experience with post-production software, while FPV flight demands skill and practice. For advanced creators, however, the drone opens limitless possibilities, from cinematic aerial sequences to immersive VR experiences and extreme sports coverage. From a design standpoint, the Avata 360 seems built for both durability and precision. The gimbal protects the bottom lens during aggressive FPV maneuvers, and the drone's materials and weight distribution are optimized for stability and responsiveness. Each component appears carefully engineered to balance strength, control, and smooth performance, reflecting DJI's commitment to high-quality design. If the leaks prove accurate, the Avata 360 could redefine aerial videography. Its combination of eye-powered imaging, advanced tracking, and dual-mode flight blurs the line between professional filmmaking and FPV thrill-seeking, giving creators unprecedented flexibility. It is not just an incremental update. It represents a new era in drone technology capable of capturing both cinematic landscapes and high-speed action. Alongside the excitement for the Avata 360, there's some less positive news for fans of another upcoming DJI product, the DJI Pocket 4. Expected to launch by the end of the year, the compact vlogging camera has reportedly been delayed due to issues with accessory production. While the main camera hardware appears ready, the release has been pushed back to January 2026. FCC filings have already revealed a 20% larger battery compared to the Pocket 3, fueling expectations for a 2025 launch. The delay has disappointed many, especially amid potential US restrictions on DJI products. Adding to the uncertainty, leaked images shared by tech insider Igor showed a prototype Pocket for camera bodies mounted on a test rig, sparking debates online. Some speculate these are two separate prototypes being tested, while others suggest DJI is experimenting with different lens weights to assess gimbal performance. A third theory claims one of these cameras is actually the final Pocket 4, disguised with tape and test labels to hide its design. Closer inspection of the leak suggests significant hardware upgrades. The gimbal motors look reinforced compared to the Pocket 3, and the arm design is stronger, indicating support for heavier lenses. The camera module sits slightly forward, suggesting a design intended for more complex optics. These details point to DJI testing a genuine high-performance camera. Leaks also suggest the Pocket 4 could record 6K video at 60 frames per second, feature a variable aperture from f2 to f4, improved image processing, and possibly full 360-degree panning. If these features are real, the Pocket 4 could become DJI's most advanced handheld camera yet. Taken together, the developments surrounding the Avata 360 and Pocket 4 demonstrate DJI's commitment to pushing creative boundaries. The Avata 360 promises to revolutionize aerial cinematography, while the Pocket 4 could elevate handheld videography to a new level. From the skies to the palm of your hand, DJI's upcoming products suggest that 2026 may be one of the most exciting years yet for creators looking to capture the world in innovative ways.